If you're a content creator and you have above 20k, 10k, 50k, 100k organic followers, you've not made money collaborating with companies, collaborating with brands, like advertising for companies, advertising their product and brand. I want you to stay and watch this video to the end. I'm creating this video for you. Let me introduce you to the company I have been working with for almost a year right now. First Collab is a company that connects you with brand who needs your services as an influencer. So if you are an influencer, you've not made money at all promoting brands, this video is for you. If you're interested in making money promoting brands, all you need to do for free, go to my profile. You are going to see Daily Update Hub. Click on that Daily Update Hub and join my community. I'm going to post the company's link on my community. All you need to do is click on that very link, create your account, fill your information, then impute your social media handles, maybe TikTok, IG, Facebook, Twitter, etc. The handles you want to use in collaborating with this company. First Collab is going to verify your account if actually you have organic followers, and they are going to connect you with brands. When a brand contacts you, all they will need you to do is go through the topic they want you to shoot the video on, send them your script, the script you want to use. If they approve it, they will ask you to draft a video. Draft the video, you send them the video, then they will go through it. And if they approve it, you will have to post the video on your platform and send them the live link. Upon confirmation, they are going to credit your money directly to your local bank account using Stripe. You will have to create a Stripe account from them for free. The money will be credited to your local bank account directly. So there won't be any issue of how will I withdraw this and that, directly to your local account. This is for people who want to start making money as an influencer. So if you're interested to do this, first thing, like this video, share this video to more than 5 people, go to the comment section and type I am interested. I will only attend to people who type I am interested. Go to my profile, you will see Daily Update Hub. Click on that very link and join the community. I will post the registration link there for free. I'll be working with these people, and trust me, it's been a good journey so far. These people are trustworthy and they are reliable. They will link you to companies that need your services. So go to my community and click on that very link and register.